Hey everybody, Mr. B here. As you can tell, I'm not in Atlanta. I am in Alabama. The loft is being renovated. We're doing the social distancing thing. We'll see what happens. I'm playing it day by day. I hope everybody is okay out there. Please be taking care of yourself. Please take care of your family. Please try to support local businesses as much as you still can. Going to my comfort zone, we're going to cook. So I've got a Boston butt and about a small one, about a 4-pounder or so. Don't have access to a smoker here at my ma's, and I'm not going to gallivant all over town trying to find the accoutrement necessary to convert her gas grill into a smoke box. It's just not going to happen. So what am I going to do? I'm going to use a slow cooker. So we're going to take that Boston butt. We're going to use my grill rub. You remember that from a couple of videos back. I'll link at the end. Maybe, if I remember to do that. I'll leave the description of the rub because it's all about the rub. Do that the night before. Pull it out. Take your crock pot, put a layer of onions on it, dump that thing in there, pour a bottle, 16-ounce bottle or so of Dr. Pepper. Yes, you heard me right, Dr. Pepper. Coca-Cola also works fantastic with this. You're going to put you a little bit, smidgy little bit of some liquid smoke. I'm probably going to throw a splash of some apple cider vinegar in there. Turn that mother on. 8 hours on high. Take it out when it's done. Shred it. Then put your barbecue sauce on it. And if you need to, put it under the damn broiler for just a few minutes. Don't walk away from it. If you want to try to, get a little color, a little more color on it. We'll just have to see how that works once we take it out. In any case, please come along for the ride, click subscribe, and let's get started.